Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing and review for the WAVLINK Wireless Mic Kit. I'm also going to compare it with the GODOX Wireless Mic Kit. Both of them are for the cell phones. So the GODOX is $100, but the WAVLINK is $50 at the time of this recording. And as always, you're going to get the 100% honest review. So make sure to subscribe. Let's open the box and put this thing to the test. So in the box, we have a USB Type-C to Type-A cable for charging the case. And this is the charging kit for this wireless microphone. We have the logo on the top. We have the USB port in the back for charging the case. And we have a little LCD in the front, probably shows the charging situation. Let's open it. So in this kit, we get 2 mics and 1 receiver. And this is the look of this wireless receiver. We have the microphone on top. We have a bunch of functions on the front. We have a USB port at the bottom, so you can charge it separately without the case. And we have a function button on the side. And in the back, we have the clip, so you can clip it to your clothing. And it's actually magnetic, so you can just separate it and leave it like that. And this is the receiver that you connect directly to your phone. It could be iPhone or it could be your Android phone, doesn't matter. On the side, we have a charging port as well. The thing is, you can get this for your previous versions of iPhone, like iPhone 15 and below, the lightning cable. I'm going to tag it down in the description so you can get different versions of it. We can see the charging situation. It's charging right now. We are at 40%, 30%. And if I want to compare the size of this with the GODOX, so this is pretty much the case for the GODOX, and this is the case for the WAVLINK. The GODOX is a little bit smaller, so you can put it in your pocket. I mean, you can put both of them in your pocket, but I prefer the size of the GODOX in this case because it's a little bit smaller. And also GODOX come with this carrying case, so which is a really sturdy. Not that it matters, you know, but you can put the clips, wind cover, cables and stuff like that into this case. And this is the size comparison of the GODOX versus the WAVLINK. The WAVLINK is a little bit bigger and chunkier, and the GODOX is a lot smaller in terms of the size. So I mean, in the size, I actually prefer the GODOX, but let's see which one performs better, you know. If you haven't watched the review for the GODOX, I'm going to tag it down in the description or somewhere here in the card. All right, now let's go ahead and test this thing. And it's blinking right now, looking for the transmitter. So right now, the transmitter is connected without me doing anything. I didn't press anything and it's already connected. And on the transmitter, we have a bunch of functions. So if I press once, it's going to activate the AI noise cancellation. I'm going to test that out. And if I double press, it's going to mute the mic. And also the GODOX has similar function, but I don't think it has the mute function. It only has the AI noise cancellation. Now I'm testing the audio using the WAVLINK. All right, now I'm testing the audio using the WAVLINK Wireless Microphone Kit, and it's connected on my shirt. Let's see how's the audio quality. This is the normal mode, and I haven't activated the AI noise cancellation. I don't have much noise here, but I'm gonna go outside and try the active noise cancellation as well. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna be quiet for a while to test the noise level of this mic in the normal mode. Okay. Just for the sake of testing, I'm going to test it with the noise cancellation as well, just to see if it's going to make a difference when you're like in a studio environment. All right, now I'm testing the audio using the WAVLINK active noise cancellation or AI noise cancellation function to see if it makes any difference between the normal and the noise cancellation. I don't have much noise, so this is just a test. I'm just going to be quiet for a while. All right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, as far as the audio quality, I would say the audio quality is pretty good, and it's like high quality audio. That was pretty good. I mean, I don't have anything negative to say except in the normal mode, I could hear a little bit of background noise, but in the noise cancellation, it completely eliminated that background noise, and it did a pretty good job with the noise cancellation. Now I'm just testing if I press the mute button, is it actually gonna mute? So this is on the mute, and right now it doesn't record anything. Now I'm going to test the GODOX to see how does it compare with the WAVLINK. testing how does it gonna sound. So right now I'm testing the GODOX in a normal mode, testing how does it gonna sound when I'm recording some audio. I'm just gonna be quiet for a while to test the background noise. All right, 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is the test for the normal mode on the GODOX. Now I'm gonna switch to the noise cancellation on the GODOX to see what we get with the noise cancellation. With the press of a button, we are switched to the noise cancellation. 1 2 3 1 2 3. I'm just gonna be quiet for a while to test the background noise in the noise cancellation mode. All right, so that was a test for... All right, so in terms of the audio quality, I think both of them are in the really similar level. The thing is, the GODOX in the normal mode, I think it performed a little bit better because it has a little bit less noise. But in terms of the audio quality, I think both of them are like pretty much the exact same audio quality. But the thing is, WAVLINK is like half the price, and it did perform very well with the active noise cancellation audio quality. They were both similar in terms of the noise cancellation. Now I'm just gonna go out and we're gonna test it in a real like busy, I don't know, noisy environment. Okay, so now I'm outside and it's a pretty like noisy. We have some wind blowing through the trees and we have some background noise pretty much out here. So I'm just going to switch to the noise cancellation to see how does it perform. All right, now we are on the noise cancellation mode on the WAVLINK 1 2 3 1 2 3. I'm just going to be quiet for a while to see if it really cancels the noise. Okay, so that was a test for the WAVLINK with the noise cancellation and also with the normal mode. Okay, so now I'm switched to the GODOX wireless microphone. As you can see here, we are outside and this is the normal mode of this microphone. I'm going to switch to the noise cancellation to see how does it perform. Okay, now we are into the noise cancellation mode. Let's see how does it sound. 1 2 3 1 2 3. We have some bird chirping, some wind blowing. I'm going to be quiet for a while to test the background noise. Okay, so that was a test for the GODOX microphone in the noise cancellation mode. Okay, now I'm going to test the WAVLINK. Right now I am in the noise cancellation mode and I'm going to go back as far as that tree at the end because the GODOX was pretty much performing really good by that tree. So I'm just going to go as far as the test with the GODOX, maybe go behind the tree and maybe go behind the walls to test if we have some objects in between, it will perform the same. Just testing the microphone here.
You got a cool mic, man.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk back and let's see if the audio is gonna cut off at any point if I like if I'm not facing the camera. So I'm just walking back just to test the range. Hopefully it's gonna sound good. We're not gonna lose the connection. I'm gonna go back here, and this is pretty much as far as the GODOX did perform well with a direct connection. And right now I'm seeing the camera still, so hopefully this works well. I'm just gonna walk back here a little bit more. So one's gonna use it this far, so I'm just gonna come back and hopefully we haven't lost the connection. If it performs better where I'm right now, it actually beats the GODOX in terms of the range. So maybe it's because it's bigger, it's gonna perform well. I'm just gonna go behind the wall here to see if we are losing the connection. So 1 2 3 1 2 3, still pretty much. For a moment I think I got disconnected because I didn't have a connection to the or direct line to the camera, but I'm connected again. So I'm coming back towards the camera. Yep. So hopefully that was a good test. So let's go ahead and review the footage. Okay, so I just reviewed the footage and I heard from the GODOX and the WAVLINK, and I have my opinion. So in terms of the size, I would say the GODOX win the size portion, and in terms of the performance, I give it to WAVLINK. They had pretty much similar audio quality indoors and outdoors, but WAVLINK, in my opinion, had a better noise cancellation when I was outside. I had an issue with the GODOX in my review video actually, and it sounds too like digital when it does the noise cancellation, and it was still the case, but I didn't hear that like weird sound in the WAVLINK, so it was more natural sounding in the WAVLINK. But the thing is, in the normal mode of the WAVLINK, it has a little bit more background noise than the GODOX. But if you use it like with the noise cancellation, it actually outperforms the GODOX in the quality. And as far as the range, they're both pretty much the same. When you don't have a direct connection, you're gonna have like cutoffs, disconnection, and it's not gonna be as good. But I think they promised like a 20 meters. It's gonna perform well, but I mean, I tested out, it was 20 meters, and after that you're gonna lose the connection. So because these are really small, they're not gonna hold the connection for a long range, but no one's gonna pretty much use it that long. So in terms of the range, they are both the same. It's a tie between these two, but everything comes down to the price. WAVLINK is like half the price of the GODOX, but it performs similar, and in like noise cancellation, it actually performs better. So if you want to get a wireless microphone kit for your Android phone or iPhone, I 100% recommend the WAVLINK. It's a pretty good price for this package. It's a little bit plasticky, and that's all you get. I'm not sure how long the battery lasts. I bet it's gonna be the same as the GODOX. So if you want to buy something for yourself, I recommend this one. It's a great value for the performance. I'm gonna link it down in the description. The only thing is GODOX comes with a bunch of more accessories like a necklace. You can hang the microphone around your neck, and like a windscreen as well. Other than that, I personally, if it was me, I would spend like $50 and get the WAVLINK instead of $100 just for the GODOX. That was my review. Let me know if you have any question. I will answer them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.